Okay guys, we're looking at week 6, day 3. This is what your worksheet should look like, okay? So number 1 says, and it's the same as yesterday, except for they're asking you to write the equation for each situation, okay? So the only difference is, okay, we've already figured this out from yesterday, what our R is, okay, or multiplier. So now we're going to be plugging in the whole equation, okay? So I'm going to put that on a separate sheet of paper right below that, okay? So we know that, you deposit $2,500, okay? $2,500. So that is your P, okay? So you put 2,500, okay, parentheses, okay? So we're going to put 1 plus 0.08, okay? And it says that it's compounded annually, okay? So for this, well, we can put 1 here, okay? And if we want to rewrite this a little bit more, we could put 1.08. And anything to the first power is just remains the same, okay? So that's number 1. Let's look at number 2. Okay, so for number 2, an account earns 1%, okay, compounded annually. Let's see if I can find a cleaner sheet of paper here. Okay. So again, we're just looking at, let's see, wait. Actually on this one it says, an account earns 1% interest compounded annually, but it tells you it has an initial deposit of $20,000. So let's put our $20,000, parentheses, and then we know it's 1 plus 0.01, okay, and then it is just annually, so it's just 1 again, so it's 20,000, 1.01, okay, and if you want, you could put the X here, or you can put 20,000, 1.011, because it's, yeah, you know what, let's put the X's on these, okay? I feel like that's probably what they want. Let's put the X, okay? Because we don't know how many years they're asking us at this point. Okay, for number 3, it says, an account opened on January 1st, 2010, earns 5%, interest compounded annually with, so the initial deposit on that one is $80,000, okay? So I have, let's put 80,000 here. So we have 80,000, okay, 1 point plus interest rate 0.05x. And then we'll just combine that. Okay, and this is for number 3. Okay, so number 4 says you deposit $1,000, okay, and in an account that earns 4.8%, and the interest is compounding annually. Okay, so again, you just put your 1,000, parentheses, right? 1 plus 0.048, okay, X, we're going to put X there. Okay, and then we're going to have, combine that. Okay, so right now we're not solving, we are just writing the equation. Okay, so let's look at number 5 here. Okay, and I've just kind of written it. I've written the important information here, what you need to know, okay? But I'll go ahead and read the problem. For number 5 on your worksheet, it says you deposit $400 in an account that earns 3.5% interest compounded annually. So 400, 1 plus 0.035x, and then we just combine those, okay, to get our answer, okay? Next on number 6, we have you deposit $500 in a savings account that earns 3% interest per year, and you deposited 500, so we're going to put 500. Then we have 1 plus our interest, 0.03, and this is just represents time, okay, in years. So we'll put 500, 1.03x, okay? So every problem's the same. So let's look at number 7, okay? Number 7 is this one right here, okay? So a business owner has $12,000. So I'll put $12,000. We'll get rid of that. We're not looking at that right now. And then he's going to receive 5%. So we have 1 plus 0.05x. So 12,000. Combine that, we get 1.05x. Okay? Last one for today. Okay, is a company has 7,000 in deposits in an account at this bank, and they're receiving 2%. So it's just 1 point plus 0.02x, 7,000. Combine those, right? And that's it. Okay? So we were just writing equations. For the next 2 days, it's going to get more complicated. You're going to have to be using different types of interest semi-annually and also solving. So we'll look at that tomorrow on the next day. Okay? Talk to you guys soon. Bye.